Hello, good evening mga kakel. Another exciting game na naman ang laban ng TFC versus the All-Star Silangan. Ito, nagsisimula na nung kayo dumating. Ito na ang game.
9 seconds remaining. Sablay. Basket split charity, 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Foul. 2 seconds. End of the first period, 18-13 in favor of TFC Warriors.
Wala na sagot. Sabi ko sa ano. Ito ang Team TFC. Ayan si Mayor Makiuma ng aming manager.
Back to the ball game, second period, bola ng All-Star Silangan. Emperador, turnaround shot, basket. 18-15. Ermita. Bakwal. Tukonhe. Backdoor play. Sablay. Single. Rebound by Emperador. Pass to Cordero. Villafranca, open under shot, wala. Nakuha ni number 17, Conje. De Los Santos. Basket by number 16, Petero. Fast break play. Steal. Ermita. Pass to Bakwal. Drop pass to De Los Santos, 2 points. Villafranca. To Kalimlim, balik kay Villafranca. No good, get his own miss, another try rejected. Turnover, bola ng TFC Warriors. De Los Santos. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Balik sa All-Star Silangan. Kalimlim. Pass to Emperador. Balik kay Kalimlim. Wala. And a rebound. Nakuha ni number 71. Extra pass. Villafranca. Basket. 22-17. Foul. Number 19. Substitution. Number 19, Villafranca, 2. 7 minuto. Conje. Ermita, wala. Petero with a putback, wala pa rin. Biray. Pass break to Emperador. Sablay. Emperador again, basket. 22-19. Bakwal. To Conje. To De Los Santos. To Bakwal sa gitna. Wala. Rebound by Cordero. Pass to Emperador. Cordero. Wala. Bola na ko ni Biray. Villabranca sa gilid. No good. Same ball. Same ball. Pasok, sir. Petero. Replacing Ermita. Garcia in. Cordero out. Tapingan ng bola. Nakuha ni Garcia. Biray saves the ball. Pass for play. Conje. Sablay. Petero. Basket by number 20. 5 minutes exactly. 24-19 and a whistle. Foul by De Los Santos, number 17. Salanggit inbounding to Garcia. Emperador. Trying from long one. Sablay. Rebound by Petero. Pass to Bakwal. Conje. Wala. Rebound Emperador. Here's Biray. No good. Bola nakuha ni Salanggit. To Villabranca. Garcia. Sablay. Bakwal. Timeout TFC Warriors. 4 minutes and 4. Back to the ball game.
Bluetooth disconnected.
Madrid. Villabranca using the glass. 2 points. 24-21. And a whistle. Basket count foul by number 17. Number 17, dalawa. Bonus shot para kay Conje. Basket 3-point play. 27-21. Naagaw ni Petero. Here's Conje. Extra pass. Petero. Pass to Conje. All-Star silangan ball. Villabranca to Madrid, 3 minuto. Garcia, foul.
Petero.
Number 16, Petero. First personal foul. Second team foul. Villabranca, number 19, 2 points. 27-23. 2 minutes and 40. Sevilla to Petero. To another Petero. Balik kay number 16. Basket, 2 points. Villafranca. Sablay, tap the ball. Nakuha ni number 13. Gabilo. Shot clock. Down to 14. Conhe. Turnover. Bola ng All-Star Silangan. Number 19, Tubiray. Sa gitna. No good. Petero. Foul. Number 4, Biray. Substitution. Biray, dalawa. 3 team fouls. 1 minute 23. First try, air ball. Second try, basket split charity. 30-23. Still right there, Conhe. To De Los Santos, Bulog J. Wala. Rebound by Biray. Same ball. 1 minuto. Emperador. Emperador, 3 points. 30-26. 4-point lead in favor of TFC Warriors. Conhe. 40 seconds. There's a whistle, foul. Number 17. Tatlo, Villafranca. Warning for penalty, Silangan. Basket. Dalawa si 19, tatlo si 17. Basket pareho. 34 seconds. Still, shot clock off. 22 seconds. Madrid saves the ball. Nakuha na yung Emperador. 15 seconds. Emperador. And a whistle. Foul by number 13. Number 13, dalawa. Sevilla. 11 seconds remaining. 2 shots. Sablay ang una. Second throw. No good. 11 seconds. Five seconds. End of the first half. 32-26 in favor of TFC Warriors. Back to the ball game. Fourth and final period. Bola ng All-Star Silangan. Final period, All-Star Silangan ball. 44-40, 4-point lead in favor of TFC.
Bahay ka na.
Bola niyo, All-Star Silangan.
Tiga pala.
Villafranca, pass to Kalimlin. Kalimlin, looking for someone. Pass to Villafranca. Pass to no one. Nakuha ni William Franca, number 19. Cross-court pass. Cordero. And a whistle. Foul. Number 12, Ermita. First personal foul, first team foul. First try. Basket. 44-41. Basket again, 44-42. Bakwal, pass to Sevilla. Sevilla, balik kay Bakwal. Tap the ball. Bakwal again. Sablay. Rebound by Bakwal. Another try. Wala na naman. Nakuha ni Sevilla. Pass to Ermita. No good. Pedero, wala pa rin. Agawa ng bola. Pass for play. Ito si Sevilla Franca. Up and away. Basket. Deadlock at 44. First deadlock of the ball game. Tumabla na. Ermita. Pass the ball to number 16. Basket 2 points by Ermita. Villafranca. Pass the ball to Emperador. Reverse shot by Cordero. Basket. Deadlock 46. Bakwal. Airball. Bola ng All-Star Silangan.
Hindi ko lang. Nadagdagan nila naman sa ano.
Mamaya sir, nabigay ng bola. Villafranca. No good. Here's Bakwal. Pass to Pitero. Pitero. To Ermita. Sa ilalim. Conhe. Lose control. Sevilla pala yun. Substitution. Biray in. Kalimlim out.
Magandang gawaro yan. May kahit may edad na. Men, si Amel lang may pass-break doon eh. Oh. Pinatay lang niya.
Another sub. Conhe in. Sevilla. Ermita out. Pasok sir. Madrid in. Villafranca out. Pedero. Balik kay Sevilla. Floater shot. Sablay. Rebound by Villafranca number 19. Pass to
Unang katali yun.
Pass to play. Madulas. Biray. And there's a whistle. Sayang yun.
Wala na pass-break agad.
Foul number 13. Sevilla.
Danton.
Tatlo, Sevilla.
Wala na ba agad tayo? Si Amel nga lang pumatay eh.
Second team
Siya
foul.
dapat nasa baba na siya.
Biray. Sablay.
Talunin pa ito pa yung pagyan. Wala na ba? Ano si Waiting Bit?
Second try. Basket. Change favor. Lamang na ng isang All-Star Silangan.
Oras.
7 minutes exactly. Bakwal. 14 to shoot.
Tira!
Kick out pass. Here's Conhe. Kung wala. Villafranca. Pass to Madrid. Trying. Nagbagong isip. Nakuha ni Emperador. Fadeaway shot. Sablay. Rebound by Cordero. Double dribbling violation. Timeout. TFC Warriors. 6 minutes and 22. Mahaba pa ito. Back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 22. Bola ng TFC. Double dribble tayo. Petero. May whistle tayo. Foul, number 19. First team foul pa lang. Number 19, tatlo. De Los Santos fadeaway shot, basket 2 points. Change in favor, lamang ng isang TFC Warriors. 6 na minuto. Emperador. Here's Biraya, atake, and the whistle, foul.
Natumba na.
Number 16, Petero. Petero number 16, apat. Warning for foul out.
Nakusot ka na. Nung nagsasabang nakusot ka. Gulong ka.
Emperador with the ball. Sablay. Bola nakuha ni Emperador again. No look pass to Madrid. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos. Pass the ball to Conje. Here's Conje. Pass to Petero. Same ball.
Umabantang. Tapos tumalabog na. Gulong na. Iyawan na. Sino siya? Lumbang. Ay, wala na. Lumbang. Uli. Nagapak na. Ulo na. Saan tumama?
5 minutes and 14. Steal. 5 minutes exactly, De Los Santos. Foul, basket. Foul by number 19, Villafranca, apat. Number 19, Villafranca. Bonus shot para kay De Los Santos.
Ito si Mama. Saan ba si
Substitution tayo. 4 minutes and 54. 51-47.
Dalawa lang kayo?
Villafranca number 19. Pass to Madrid. Emperador to Garcia. Sablay. Bola na ko ni Garcia. Garcia in trouble. And there's a whistle.
Papito na iagaw.
May whistle na po. Jump ball. Bola ng TFC. 4 minutes 35. Sevilla. Pass to Conje. Conje. 14 to shoot. Petero. Backdoor play to Petero. Ngunit Sablay. Bola nakuha ni Cordero. Pass to Emperador. Pass replay. Last touch by Petero. Same ball. Substitution. Sevilla out. Sevilla. 4 minutes and 12.
Sab!
Gavillo in. 4 minutes and 12. Garcia. Intercepted by De Los Santos. Fast break play. Here's Petero waiting for his teammates. Pass to De Los Santos. Rejected by Garcia. Same ball tayo. Good defense by Garcia. 3 minutes 57. Timeout. All-Star Silangan. 3 minutes and 57. Back to the ball game. TFC ball tayo. 3 minutes 57. Turnover, bola ng All-Star Silangan. Cordero to Emperador. Pass to Villafranca. Villafranca number 17 to Villafranca number 19. And a whistle. Foul. Number 71, Conhe. Warning for penalty. Conhe, dalawa. Act of shooting. Basket. Basket again, 2 for 2, 3 minutes and 43. 51-49, dadalawang kalamangan ng TFC. Petero number 20, using the glass, wala, tapikan ng bola, nakuha ni Emperador. Here's Emperador, bringing down the ladder, attacking in the middle, ngunit wala. Emperador again, and there's the whistle. Foul, number 71. Second personal foul. 3 team fouls. 3 minutes 22. Conhe. Foul. Number 19, Villafranca. Bradway. Po. 5 na po. 3 minutes 14. Is intercepted. All-Star Silangan ball. Villafranca, pass to Madrid. Madrid, and the ball is loose. Naagaw ni Conhe. Here's Conhe. Sablat. Basket by De Los Santos. Turnover. Bola muli ng TFC Warriors. Substitution. Kalimlim in. 2 minutes 49. Bakwal, rejected. Bola nakuha ni Cordero. Fast break play to Villafranca. Turnaround shot. Sablay. Rebound by Garcia. Wala. Gavilo. Here's De Los Santos. 2 minutes and 30. To Bakwal. Backdoor play. Gavilo. Basket. 2 minutes and 20. Emperador to Villafranca. Kalimlim. Run from long one. Sablay. Garcia. Wala. Rebound by Gavilo. Last 2 minutes. Petero. No good. Tap the ball na ni Cordero. Villafranca. Pass to Garcia. Here's Garcia, penetrating, and a whistle, foul. Number 71, Conhe. Penalty. 1 minute and 46. TFC under penalty. Sablay.
Nakakawala na. Lalim ito. Lakbagan pera nga.
Conhe. Sablay. Rebound by Cordero. Pass to Garcia. Intercepted by Petero. Bola ng All-Star Silangan. 1 minute 26. 1 and 26. Villafranca to Emperador. Emperador attacking. Timeout TFC Warriors. 1 minute. Back to the ball game. $55-49, 1 minute and 17. Kalimlin. No good. Cordero with the putback and a whistle. Foul. Foul by number 16. 16 fouled out. Petero fouled out. 2 shots para kay Cordero. First try, no good. Second try, wala pa rin. 1 minute and 10. Number 71 foul. Penalty, both teams. Penalty. Emperador, 3 personal fouls. Sablay. Sablay. Bakwal. Substitution, Madrid in. One minute and 4. 10 to shoot. Isang minuto. 5 to shoot. Sablay. Bola nakuha ni Madrid. Madrid. Pass to Garcia. Kick out pass. Basket 2 points. 44 seconds. De Los Santos. Foul. Number 71. Apat. Penalty. 35 seconds. Basket. Sir, galing tayong 40 kanina. Sablay. 35 seconds remaining. Madrid.
Tayo.
25 seconds.
Ay.
Sablay. Bola ng All-Star Silangan. 20 seconds. Penalty. Bakwal called for the foul. 20 seconds.
Tatlo na sila eh.
Mali ang score ni Bahong.
Airball. 56-51. Sablay. Foul. Number 3, Madrid. Penalty. 19 seconds.
Yun.
Bakwal. 15. 10. Basket. 5. End of the ball game. Final score 58-51.
Yes, another good game of TFCN All-Star. Oh, pa-picture kayo daw, pa-picture para raw.
Manalo kay Tito.
Oh. Oh.